Hi, my name is Samuel. I am an optometrist. Today I want to share with you very common eye disorder means refractive error that is called myopia. In myopic conditions, we cannot see the distant object more clear. So before knowing the myopia, we have to know about the normal eyes means emmetropy. So what happened in normal eyes? In normal eyes means emmetropic conditions, when light comes from the infinity and passes through our cornea and lenses and focus on the retina. So when light focus on the retina, only this is the one condition, we can see the distant object more clear. So what happened in myopia? In myopic conditions, light passes through our cornea and lenses and focus before the retina. In these conditions, light cannot focus on the retina. Light focus before the retina. So that's why we cannot see the distant object more clear. So this is called myopia. So what is the main reason of myopia? There are two basic reasons of myopia. Number one, bigger eyeball. If someone's eyeball is bigger, so in this condition light passes through our cornea and lenses and focus before the retina, because lights cannot reach into the retina because eyeball is bigger. So this is in this condition also myopia happen and patients cannot see the distant object more clear. Second one, that is if someone's cornea and lenses curvature is more than the normal. In these conditions also lights focus before the retina and patients cannot see the distant object more clear. So this is called myopia. So what is the solutions? How can we fix this problem? Basically we can prescribe minus power, that is concave lenses, to the patients as a spectacles, and we can fix this problem. So what happens if I will give concave lenses? So if concave lens is placed over the cornea, means if you are wearing minus lenses spectacles, then what happens? Then light passes through the lenses and cornea and our crystalline lenses and focus on exact on the retina. And we can solve these problems by prescribing minus power.